Hello, have you ever wished for a quick, simple, and tasty meal? Today your wish will come true, because I will be making Kookoo Sabzi or herbs frittata in Iranian cuisine. Ingredients: a small package of chives, a bunch of dill, a bunch of cilantro, a bunch of parsley, 6 eggs, 5 tablespoons of oil, 3/4 of a teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 of a teaspoon salt, pepper to your taste, and if you like, a tablespoon of dried barberries and a tablespoon of chopped walnuts. Pick the leaves from the parsley and dill and discard the stems. Kookoo Sabzi is made during Persian New Year on Nooshe, which is the first day of spring. Finely chop all the herbs. We're using the food processor to make our lives easier. Add the eggs, 3/4 of a teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and pepper to your taste, and blend for 30 seconds. If you use barberries and walnuts, add them now. Heat the oil in a medium pan, which is better to be non-stick. Add the mixture to the hot oil. Reduce the heat. With the back of the spatula, flatten it. Put the lid on. Oops, wrong lid! Reduce to a gentle heat and let it cook until it can be cut. Cut the kookoo into 4 equal pieces. Using 2 spatulas, turn them and let the other side fry as well. Cut each piece in half again and serve. Nooshe, jaan, enjoy! We hope this video made you interested in trying Kookoo Sabzi. Please give us your thoughts and opinions. To stay up to date with our latest videos on yummy Iranian cooking, make sure to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. Bye now!